Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use Roblox support ticket. Here, as you can see, we have the Roblox customer support ticket with a particular number on it. Also, there are many options given on this page, and it's written that we are currently experiencing a high number of queries. As we know, Roblox is a huge platform having several users. Also, it receives a large number of reports every day. So, it is not possible for them to respond immediately. That is why they just immediately send you a ticket in order to solve it further or later. This particular ticket number which is sent to you is actually the serial number of your problem. After that, a human staff or Roblox will take care of your problem, and it may take about 4 to 5 days. After that, you will get another email like this that will come with a real solution to your problem. You just need to follow the method given in that email in order to solve your problem. Also, you will see that the ticket number will be the same on both tickets. So using the second ticket, you can easily solve the problem you're facing on Roblox. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.